Okay, this is our second video for the completion, and this house came out just as beautiful as we expected it to. Check it out. We also did the concrete. Couldn't do too much because it's kind of old, starting to break apart in certain areas. We got the lattice. This whole side of the house. Porch, the railings. This is where it was pretty bad. A lot of buildup, of course, as the sun doesn't hit this side of the house. We got all that. We got the chimney coming out pretty clean too. I had a lot of buildup on it. Thank you for watching our videos. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.